Hi everyone, and today we have an important template about the weight loss tracker. So this template is weight loss tracker. The first thing you should to enter the goal weight, and my goal weight is 75 kilogram, and I want to track this weight weekly. So this template is very simple. You just enter here your weight based on time. So in here in weight column, and you can here drag the time line to stretch the time, and you can here enter the weight based on time. So you can enter, for example, 84 and so on. And based on this data, this chart is generated and representing the weight respect to time, and this is the goal weight you set here. Okay, so this is a simple template to track your weight respective to time, and this chart is very representative to your weight increasing or decreasing based to and respect to the goal weight. Okay, this is the first template in this lecture. Second template is very simple also. It's about the fitness vision, and fitness vision based on your weight, caloric intake, and your exercise, your relaxation, and your sleep. So you want to reach a specific goal for this vision. You want to reach a specific goal for your weight, specific goal for your caloric intake, a specific goal for your exercise time and relaxation, and a specific goal for your sleep. So here you write your specific goal, and here you write your starting and current status of your weight, caloric intake, exercise, relaxation time, and sleep. And based on this data, you have this four ring charts about these criteria. So this is fitness chart, nutrition start, mind start, and energy start. And this is a simple example about tracking and representing visualization the third template in our lecture today is about the fitness training program. So here if you are the coach in gym, or coach in fitness center, or if you want to improve your fitness exercise and plan your fitness exercise, you need this template. This template, you should enter here your client name or your name, your instructor or trainer, and here your information or your client's information about age, gender, height, and height in inches or feet, weight, chest, body fat, and target body fat, and BMI, body mass index, and target body mass index. And here you have different exercise such as warm up, strength, cardio, cool down, and each exercise you have four stages for each exercise. And here is reps, and here is the weight, and here is the wake and the frequency and the start. You enter these data, and here is the program start date. Okay, this is suggested or planned data about your exercise. Accordingly, in the second sheet here, program tracking, you have repetitions as suggested, and you have weight as suggested, and you have difference between suggested and actual. Okay, and here is 6-day program, and each program you have 4 different exercise about warm up, strength, cardio, and cool down. And each exercise consists of main 4 stages from exercise 1 to exercise 4, and you have to enter the reps and weights, and the program automatically will calculate and the difference between suggested and actual. And by this way you can track your performance based on actual and planned values of your exercise. And this is about the third template in this lecture about exercise planner. Okay, And here is our fourth template today. It's about the diet exercise journal. So you should enter your diet program. It's about date and time and description. You want coffee, lunch, dinner, coffee, toast, lunch, and etc. And each meal or each item has its calorie and its protein or fat, and you should know the percentage of carb, protein, fat for each item of these coffee or lunch or dinner, whatever. And also there is note about each item here in the diet. Okay, this is about the first item about diet. Also the second item is exercise. Okay, and the exercise, you have the date and duration about the exercise, and here is duration is 30 minutes, and calories burned about 120 calories burned here in this exercise. And treadmill workout or low impact extreme workout, treadmill, run, treadmill, whatever exercise and its corresponding duration, its corresponding calories burned, you should enter these data here about exercise. So after you enter the data about the exercise and about the diet, you have goals. You have to put your start date, and you have to put your end date here, and you have to put your start weight, and you have to put your end weight and your objective. So this is the goal to lose. This is, you want to lose 25 kilogram to reach your goal about your weight. And here is the days to lose your plan. You plan to lose your 25 kilo for 300 days, about 1 year. And also there is the objective to lose 0.08 kilogram per day. And based on your enter data, you will have dietary analysis and exercise analysis. And here is dietary analysis based on each time, based on 4 category: fats, protein, carbs, calories. And also you will have exercise about the analysis. And exercise analysis, you have the date and you have the calories burned and duration. Okay, this is about the diet and exercise journal template. Okay, it's a very template if you want to be fit and healthy. Okay, also we have this blood sugar tracker, and this template is to tracking your blood sugar, and you enter your data based on time. Here is the date, and here is the time, and here is the blood sugar, and here is the running average for this day based on the specific value of blood sugar. And based on this enter data, you will have this chart, and this chart consists of 2 main components about blood sugar and running average. Okay, this is about blood sugar tracking template. The last template today is about blood pressure tracker. Okay, it's about tracking your blood pressure. So the first thing, you enter your name or your patient name. The second thing, you enter target blood pressure, systolic and diastolic. And the systolic, the normal is about 120 and 80 for systolic and diastolic respectively. So you must call physician if the systolic is above 140 and diastolic is above 90 value. So also you have to know the number of physician phone number here. Also you have to enter the data from here: time, date, AM or PM, systolic value, systolic blood pressure value, and diastolic blood pressure value, and heart rate and notes. And you will find the red shaded cells. It's about the above this value systolic above 140, there is automatically will be shaded with red color. And if the value is above 90 according to diastolic blood pressure, you will find the cell will be shaded with red color, and that's mean you should immediately call the physician the physician based on this phone number to take remedial action about the patient or about you. Okay, and here is the chart about each day about systolic and diastolic values. Okay, this is about blood pressure tracker. If you want to find these templates, you will find these templates online based on file, new, and just write here blood and enter, and you will find these all medical templates about blood pressure tracker, blood sugar tracker, and blood and other useful template about your fitness, about your medical status. Also, if you write here diet, you will find the all templates about diet. If you have any question, please contact me. Thank you for listening.